So I've got my assortment of guitar picks here. These were sent to me so I could go ahead and show you which you are going to receive. It's always going to be a different combination of these, different colors, different thicknesses. Now these do come in 3 different thicknesses. We've got thin, medium, and heavy. So for instance, I do have some groups of 3s. We've got these orange, the blues, and the greens, but they did send me 4 of these. So these are a combination of the thin, the medium, and the thicker ones. Also over here, I've got 5 of these also, but these are all celluloid. Nice, easy to grip. They're a good size here. I do love that they come in this nice case, so I can go ahead and I get what I need because they all have a little different sound depending on if you're going to need the different thicknesses. So you can go ahead and just put everything into your case when you're not using the rest of them. And I've got plenty. I mean, for me, this is probably just a lifetime. But they're really nice. I love the way they look and the way they sound too. I'm real happy with all these assortment of guitar picks, and I hope you found this helpful.